Welcome to MyMathYourMath. Today we're going to talk about exponents, alright? So, example, solve for x. 2 log base 3 of 9 is equal to x plus 2. So, we start here. First thing I'm going to go ahead and do is bring that 2 up top as an exponent for the 9. So then we get, next step, log base 3 still, and it's 9 squared, which is just going to be 81, is equal to x plus 2. I had a teacher in high school who used to tell us about this thing called the snail method. So it's always the base raised to what's on this side is always going to be equal to that big number. So that just means 3 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 81. And now we're going to use exponents to go ahead and solve for this. So we know that we can write 81 as 3 to the 4th power, correct? So we get, still on the left side, 3 to the x plus 2 power still is equal to, instead of writing 81, we're going to say 3 to the 4th power. Anytime you have the bases that are the same, you could set the exponents equal to one another. So we get x plus 2 is equal to 4. And that means x is equal to 2. And that, I believe, is all for exponents for today.